Welcome to the Melt Together show with Nestlé's Aero for baking. I am Lebogang Tlokana, aka the Funny Chef, and I am your host as we melt together unlikely combinations with our guests and our recipes. In the Melt Together kitchen, Nestlé Aero for baking is the star of the show. It's a pity it's not me, but listen, she's the girl she thinks she is and she's perfect for baking.
My favorite ingredient has to be bacon. I love bacon.
Salt. My guests are here and they're about to bake it off, making chocolate brownies with an unlikely twist. On my left, I've got Clement Maosa, who's a musician and an actor.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. On my right, I have Mpho Letsholoyane, who is a TV and radio presenter. Welcome.
Thank you for having us.
To Unlikely Things.
Yes.
Listen, we're about to make chocolate brownies. Mm-hmm. What is the twist?
My twist is crispy bacon.
Well, my unlikely twist is, chocolate brownies with a pinch of chili flakes.
Okay.
Imagine it's glorious, haven't you?
All right. I'll be back.
All right.
Okay.
I need half of the Aero for baking.
Yes, ma'am.
So we're going to... Okay, that's not
it
half.
It does not look like half.
Crumbling it into the bowl. And then we put
some butter.
Ooh,
the crunch.
Did you see that?
Everything, yes, sure.
My chocolate and butter nicely melted.
Yes.
Can put it here.
No. No. Oh my God.
Okay, drip.
You are on counter.
Yeah, there we go.
Come on now.
The excitement.
We've got cocoa powder.
Yes.
As well as flour.
There goes my flour.
Mm-hmm. Gentle, be gentle. Love your food. Go for it. Yes. I love the consistency. You can smell the chocolate.
Ooh, and the vanilla essence.
It's there.
Now imagine the chili flakes on top.
Amazing. Amazeballs. The chocolate is going to make it smooth.
Come on.
So this is a lined baking tin.
I still feel like you need to level it because it's going to go.
Then at the top of that, I'm going to add my twist.
Which is?
Bacon.
This is chili.
That is your
flakes,
twist.
right?
Yes.
You don't just pour in the whole
Never.
spoon there. You must nicely pour it in there and then flavor. There we go.
Okay.
Into the oven. Into the oven.
Hi. Wait a king.
Hey, chica.
Yum.
This looks nice. Nice.
Hello. You must be proud.
Look at that. So gorgeous.
Yum.
It came out nicely.
Beautifully.
Nicely.
Okay.
One more
You are
time.
murdering things.
It must come out
in the
nicely.
kitchen.
Murder all of a sudden.
There we go.
Okay.
And then the other side.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. The chocolate, smooth. Ne? The texture, amazing. And the kick from your twist.
With that vava.
Amazing. Amazing.
Yeah.
Love to see it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Chef Clemzito.
Moving right along.
Hello.
Man. I'm going to take that little piece of bacon over there.
Yes, please. What's your thoughts?
Yours is moist.
I know, right?
The chocolate is there.
Yes.
And the crunchiness of the bacon and the saltiness.
It balances out.
Very well so.
I got you.
Amazing.
So who's the winner?
The what?
The winner.
Put it down. Put him down. We are getting too excited. All right. I had fun in the kitchen. Mm-hmm. It was amazing. The twists were just ridiculous. I love you. But you're my winner. You're my winner. Bacon. Who would have thought? Come on. Clement, we all know this. See. That's all I have for you on the show.
Well, follow us on the Aero for Baking YouTube page.
Or just follow the link below for more information.
Melt it together with us on the next episode, proudly brought to you by Nestlé Aero for baking.
Real Aero chocolate, perfect for your baking combinations.